Hi, welcome back to Market Country Crafts and Miniatures. My name is Catherine, and thanks so much for clicking on this video. Whether you're a new subscriber or a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Today, we are doing an unpack / decorate for fall with me. That's right, so all my stash of all my fall decor, I'm going to share it with you, and I'm going to count down how many pumpkins I have. We're already at 3, so we're already behind, but let's catch up with me unpacking my fall decor. I have a lot of plush ones, a lot of ones from the dollar store. I have a lot of faux leaf accents, little pumpkins that are on the sticks. Those are from Dollar Tree. A garland that I made with little pumpkins, sweater pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And this wreath I got from Walmart last year. It's like a faux basket. It's really cute. We're already at 23. I've been talking and I didn't even realize we're at 23. That's a lot of pumpkins. So we've got my faux leaf garland. And what's in this bag? We have more pumpkins. These ones I painted myself. They're just from like scrap pieces from Dollar Tree. Another metal pumpkin piece that's from Dollar Tree. These are from the Superstore. Grocery store that's in Canada. Felt ones, those are from Dollar Tree as well. These are from Dollar Tree, but I haven't painted them yet, and I'm not going to include them because they're not finished. Or did I include them? We're at 31, so I might have included them. 32 for this pumpkin candle holder. And 33. Nice porcelain pumpkin, a metallic one, a wood looking one. A lot of these are from Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna lie to you, a lot of them are. And these ones, which look like a wood carved pumpkin, these are from Dollarama, a Canadian dollar store. We're at 39 pumpkins already. Are you guys keeping track? It's a good thing I have the counter because I wouldn't be able to keep track. 42 pumpkins we jumped to. And this big one, it is cracked. I've had it many years, but it's from HomeSense. And then I have this fabric. And you're going to see what I do with this Halloween fall type fabric. Here's a stack of pumpkins. I counted these individually because I thought, hey, they're each a little pumpkin stacked on top of each other. And this is my second bin. So that was the first bin. This one is another pillowy pumpkin. So we add that onto our tally, how many pumpkins I have. More sweater pumpkins, just fabric pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. These are all from, I believe, the Dollar Tree. I don't think Dollarama had them. I think, yeah, pretty sure they were Dollar Tree. And this one I'm just unwrapping because I have them every year. I have to wrap them all up into newspaper that I have. These ones I painted over there. They were originally silver. They're from Dollarama. I just love the unique shape of them. They were $4 each at the time. These are from, I believe, Superstore, grocery store. Nice orange porcelain pumpkin with a gold stem. I really like these ones. And not to mention, oh, we're at 67 pumpkins. Oh my gosh. 68. Not to mention, I'm showing you all these pumpkins, and you're going to get to see how I decorate with these pumpkins on my display cabinet. 71 pumpkins. These are from Dollar Tree, I believe. Or is it Dollarama? Who knows at this point? They have similar products at this point. These ones are really nice and sturdy and a heavy pumpkin. So these ones are really good quality. And we're at 77 pumpkins. I have this nice cream one, which I think is from Dollar Tree too. Another metallic one. I like the metallic ones. They give a good shine. If you're liking this video, please like it. If you would like to subscribe, I would love that. Please subscribe. And please turn on the bell notifications so you know when I upload. And an acorn. We're not going to put that in the pumpkin counter now, are we? But it is nice metallic, and it's a good piece to put out for fall. Another metallic pumpkin. A nice cream one. Pretty sure that one's Dollar Tree too. Some of these are oddly shaped. They had a little bit of deformities, but you know what? That kind of adds to the look of the pumpkin. Because pumpkins in real life aren't perfect. This cream one, that one's a nice one, I think from the grocery store. We're up to 89 pumpkins. Can you guys believe this? 90 pumpkins. Oh my goodness. I think I have a problem. I think I have an addiction to pumpkins. Oh, a gold one. Another metallic one. Oh, and those are my pumpkins. These are the ones that are just laid out on the floor. In total, we have 93 pumpkins. And this is how I decorated with all of my pumpkins. So this is my display cabinet. It has 4 doors with glass panels in them. And I love decorating this cabinet with every season, every holiday. So I'll do Valentine's Day, Easter, fall, Christmas, and even for summertime I'll decorate it as well. But this is what I did with all my 93 pumpkins. Can you guys believe that? Let me know in the comments how many pumpkins you've collected over the years, and do you think maybe I should get rid of some, or should I get more? Should I make it an even 100? Let me know. But you can see I put down that fabric. I love this fabric. It's so fall, so Halloween. Has little pumpkins, little candy corn images in like a checkered pattern. I love using this as a runner just to give a nice contrast to the gray cabinet. And I spy some DIYs that I just recently did. So make sure you check out that video. It was the very previous video that I've uploaded, my first fall season. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this quick race to count my pumpkins, and I hope you like my stash of pumpkins, and I hope you like how I decorated for fall. Let me know what pumpkin was your favorite in the comments. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.